Hello, welcome to this C# support video. This is the first in the series on regular expressions, but we've introduced regular expressions as we finished off talking about pattern checks in validation. So far we have just checked to see if a regular expression appears. This time we're going to extract data from a string. So for example, we have a function which has a parameter called input, and that parameter will contain a pin code, a 4-digit pin code. And if it contains a 4-digit code, then we want to return it. If it contains more than 4 digits, then it's not a pin code, we ignore it. If it has more than one 4-digit code, then we just return the first one. So how can we do this? Well, again, I would recommend using Regex 101. You put your test data in here, and then we search for stuff. So we want a numerical digit, but we want a numerical digit that occurs exactly 4 times. But we've got to be careful because we found that here, even though we get a digit, a 5th digit. So we need to specify that there is a word boundary afterwards, but then it's just shifted it to find the last 4 of these digits because there's a word boundary afterwards. So let's put a word boundary in beforehand. So that looks better to me. We've extracted all of the pin number characters. Then the bit that I actually want, the 4 digits, I'm going to surround with brackets, which makes it a group, so that we can extract it and process it afterwards. So how do we do that? Let's see. Let's use a regular expression. Help. Regex.match. We put in the, I can never remember which way around this goes. Regex C#. I want to do a match, which is the order of the parameters. Do we put the pattern first, or we do the thing that we're searching for first? This one. So the input first, and then the regular expression pattern after. That's helpful. So the input is just the parameter that we receive. What are we searching, as in this or something else? And then our regular expression. Now here we've got backslashes as part of the regular expression, so we'll have to say that this is a, we don't want to escape those backslashes, it's a string literal, rather than having to put the double backslash in. So this will receive a match object. A match object will either succeed or fail. So we can say a Boolean expression called success. But we'll also need to be able to access the groups, and the first group will be the whole match, and then the second group, index 1, will be the first set of brackets that it finds, and you can have multiple sets of brackets in the pattern that you're trying to find. So we want to access it twice, so let's just store this. Let's say we've got a match called M, and it's going to be that. And then if M is successful, if we've managed to find a pin code, then we can return that value. Now, what are we supposed to return? A string. Yeah, good. So that looks right to me. So we want to get the match, which we've got on line 3, the value of all of the groups. Remember, 0 will be the whole thing, including the word boundaries, which we don't really want. We want to just get the first group, which corresponds to the first group here, and then the value of it, and that should be a string. Then if this fails, then we want to do the default pin code of 0000. Will it work? Let's see. Excellent. Fab. So you can see the kind of thing that it finds. We've got all sorts of test data. It should run that regular expression to match this group, and then return that group value. Fab.